main global controller, this dot get owner component, right? So this dot get owner component. So what is the meaning of this? This means current file. So what is a current file? View1 controller. So view1 controller dot get owner component means get the global controller. Get the global controller. So what is the global controller? Obviously component.js, right? So remember guys, when you write this statement, this dot get owner component, it returns component.js. Does not matter in which controller you write this logic, because even if you write this statement in the view2 controller also, for the view2 controller also, who is the global controller? Component.js only. If you write this statement in view3 controller, okay, this is view1 controller, but anyway, if you write that in view1, view2, view3, view4, any controller, if you write this statement, it gives you component.js object. Okay, so this dot get owner component is pointing to component.js, and your component.js contains entire manifest.json configuration, in which routing is also one of the configuration. Now you can ask the component.js, hey Mr. component.js, get me the router. So give me the router, get router. Now the router has a function called nav to, means navigate to. Navigate to. So where do you want to navigate? I want to navigate to the second view. So if you want to navigate to the view2, so the view name is view2, this view2 will be navigated through target view2. So who is calling the target view2? The target view2 is called by this second route. We know that number of routes, number of targets, number of web pages, all these three should be same. 2 web pages, 2 routes, 2 targets. So this we already discussed as a part of the flow of execution, right? Now what you need to do is take the route name, copy the route name, Control C, and give the route name here. Now when you give the route name to the router, okay, by saying navigate to this particular route name, it goes to the route name and immediately it calls the target. It calls the target. What is the target? Target view2. So target view2 will be called, and the respective view will be loaded into the view container. And also the pattern will be changed automatically. So let us see if this is happening or not. So that's all guys, only one line whenever you want to navigate from one page to other page. So let me fill something here. Employee name, Rizwan, designation senior tech lead, and email riz@gmail.com, and I am clicking the submit button. So you can see I am not only on the view2, but also the pattern, the URL pattern is automatically changed. Who changed it? Router. Your router will change. How? The moment you write nav to and then you keep the route name, it goes to the manifest.json and picks up this route name. So this route name is saying to call this target and to change to this particular pattern. So it goes to the target view2. This is target view2 and load the view name which is view2. So this view2 will be loaded into the view container. And not only that, this route is saying to change the pattern in the URL to second view. So that is the reason this second view will be appended automatically whenever you navigate it from one view to the other view. All right, fine. So generally in the home page, there will not be any back buttons, but for all other pages, the back buttons will be there. Okay, so let me show you from our Launchpad. So let me open the employee management application. So this is the home page. For the home page, you can see there is no back button. But for example, I go to this page, you can see there is a back button. If I click on the back button, I comes to this page again. Okay. So except the home page, remaining all pages will contain the back buttons. For example, create employee page. Let me go to create employee page. So you can see there is a back button. I click on that and again I came to the home page. So how to create this kind of back buttons? Let us see. This particular button will be created using a property in the page tag. So let me just open the view2.view.xml. So this is the second page. So for the second page, I want the back button, right? So for the page tag, there is a property that SAP UI5 has given, and that is show now button, and you need to give true. When you give show now button equal to true, automatically a back navigation button will appear. So let us see if it appears or not. Yeah. Now you can see a back navigation button is appearing. But it just shows the button. But when you click the button, nothing will happen. See, I'm clicking the button. Anything is happening? No, nothing is happening. Because the property show now button will just show the button. That's all. It just show the button. On press of the button, what should happen? That you have not written. Okay. So we need to write that as well. Now I'm going to write. We know that for a normal button, there is a press event, right? So this is a press action. If it is a normal button, there is a press action. So this is a navigation back navigation button. So here the action name is now button press. It's not just a press. The complete name SAP has given is now button press, means back navigation button press. That is the meaning. Okay. So we'll assign a function like on press back button, something like this. Now copy this and go to, since it is view2, you need to go to view2 controller. Now when I click on the back button, where I should go? I should go to the view one, right? I should go to the view one. See, I click on the back button. So on click of the back button, again I need to go to the view one. So what I need to do is, I need to repeat the same logic, Control C, and I will write route view one. So I will go to the view one again. Yeah. Now let me click on the back button. I'm on the view one. Got it? So let me submit. I'm on the view 2. Let me go back. I'm on the view 1. Let me click submit. I'm on the view 2. Let me back. I'm on the view 1. So like this, you can navigate from any page to any page. Clear? Okay. And one more thing is, normally for back buttons, if you want to go to a dedicated page, you can write this particular statement. But what SAP recommends is, if you just want to go to the previous page, you don't know what is your previous page. If you just want to go to the previous page, then you can, instead of writing this entire statement, you can also write something called history.go -1. Let me give an example for this scenario. So let's say there are 3 pages, view 1, view 2 and view 3. view 2 and view 3. So let's assume you can navigate to view 3 from view 1 also. You can navigate to view 3 from view 2 also. Okay. Now, in this particular view 3, there is a back button. There is a back button like this. Now the requirement of the client is, if I click on the back button, I should go to the page from where I came into this view 3. Okay. Let's say from view 1, on click of the button, you came to view 3. Okay. Then if I click this back button, I should land up in view 1. So similarly, let's say from view 2, there is a button. On click of the button, I went to view 3. Now if I click this back button, I go to view 3. I should go to view 2, sorry. On click of the back button, I should go to view 2. So basically, the requirement of the client is, on click of the back button, I simply need to go to the previous page. Now in this case, the previous page might be view 1, might be view 2, I don't know, right? So in these kind of scenarios, we don't write this kind of statement, because if you write this kind of statement, you can go only to a particular view. If I write this statement in this scenario, for example, even I came from view 2 to view 3, on click of the back button, I will go to view 1 only. I can't go to view 2, because in this nav 2, I can give only one route name. Got it? So in these kind of scenarios, SAP recommends, so don't use this particular statement, simply use history.go -1. When you write history.go -1, SAP UI5 automatically checks the history. History means from which page you came to view 3. So if the previous page is view 2, it automatically takes you to the view 2. If the previous page is view 1, it automatically takes you to the view 1. So developer no need to put his brain in this from which page you landed up into view 3. Okay, so let me show you this code as well. So let me run this and show you. Click submit, go back, it works. Okay, go back, it works, because SAP UI5 knows this is your previous page. Alright guys, so that's all for today. So in today's class we covered the validation, creating the footer, and navigation using the buttons. So if you have any questions, you can ask me, otherwise you can leave